visit in a good channel.
We use the eggshell and seashell.
One, two, three, go.
Yeah.
Welcome to Benson Market! Hanapin mo, word na song. Hindi mo mahanap? Hey besties, good morning! Today is our official day 2 here in Saigon, and right now guys, sobrang aga namin. It's currently 7:20 AM here in Vietnam, and may tour tayo. Pupunta tayo sa Cu Chi Tunnel. Yay! We are so excited for that one. Cu Chi Tunnel is a must visit nyo rin here in Saigon or in Ho Chi Minh. Kasi ano siya, parang tunnel talaga siya nung time sa Vietnam War, no? We will be experiencing that later on, so we are so excited. Yay! So, right now, nasa baba lang kami ng Airbnb namin guys, kasi ipipick up daw kami dito mismo. Dito na pala yung bus. Dito yung sasakyan. Okay, thank you! Hello! Good morning! Nasa bus na kami! Yay! Ang ganda ng bus guys, in all fairness. Tingnan nyo. Ilagay yun ng water lang. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong footrest. Tapos na pala kami ng breakfast guys. Bumili lang kami ng food doon sa 7-Eleven as usual. Nagdala din kami ng parang light meals lang in case gugutumin kami along the way. Or not along the way, along sa pag-tour natin doon sa Cu Chi Tunnel. Kasi recommended siya na magdala daw ng light meal in case daw na gugutumin kayo. Nagdala din kami ng water guys kasi you know, Saigon is medyo mainit dito.
Okay, and with a tour to Cu Chi Tunnel, we have a half of the tour to this area, and the tour will begin around 8. Yeah, and we finish around 2 to 3 p.m. Yeah, we have around 6 hours for the tour today. Around 70 kilometers. We have 2 hours on the bus. We will visit in the Cu Chi Tunnel. After that, we go back Ho Chi Minh City, and it belongs to Ho Chi Minh also, one of the district of Ho Chi Minh. But you go there, you still have more forest. Okay, and in this area, we had a border with Da Nang. Da Nang we had a border with Cambodia. From the Cu Chi, we had Cambodia around 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers. After we finish the tour with me, who want to have Cambodia, tell with me first. I brought you want to play very short to Cambodia. In this we have more forest. We have the border with Cambodia. We have with the Mekong Delta. The local people can support more food for the village children.
Guys, nasa ano na kami. First stop.
Has a little bit border work there. We have one big factory near this area. Okay, we go there. They have a local guy. They show we show the process. We make the lacquer painting first. After that, we can try to go inside the showroom. You visit inside. And if you love any picture, you can take the price after the picture, and they will have the Vietnamese price about this. If you love, you can buy it to support for them.
The handicraft factory. This company established in 1976. Until now, it's over 50 years just for training and ready to shop for the victim of the world handicraft and the disabled. Here we do lacquer painting, lacquerware, Vietnamese. We use the eggshell and seashell.
Eggshell and seashell.
See eggshell here, seashell. They stick them on the surface, then lacquer polish to get the flat surface. Then the artist sheet drawing, painting to come this only style like this. And next step over here.
Ay, try.
And so here we use dark eggshell. And we have weights, maybe that comes out the shell. Then look at that. She had to break the shell, stick on there little by little. And use the shape, now then tap to make the shell into tiny. To get a flat surface, then cutting following the design to complete. Sometimes they burn the shell on the fire to get a different color. Ah, okay. How do you
Marami ano.
Oh, need the picture.
Wow.
Dark shell, but different color here.
This one, what's this?
That is seashell.
Ah, seashell. Oh, okay.
Or any product they use eggshell and eggshell powder like this.
Ito pala guys is polishing, parang ipa-polish nila. For niya is parang black siya. Ay, ganun no. Namitan ng sandpaper para lalabas yung mga shells niya. Eggshells and yung seashells. Update guys, currently bumili kami ng banana smoothie. So tapos na kami yung parang may workshop something, yung may eggshells, tapos mga seashells, ganyan. Hindi kami bumili guys kasi medyo mahal siya. Maganda sana siyang i-decorate pero hindi na lang kami bumili. Our smoothie is here na. Punta na kami sa Cuchi Tunnel guys. Tapos na rin kami mag-CR break. Ito yung tour natin guys. Yung Cuchi Tunnel.
Okay, let's go. Did the helicopter, they had a tank here. You can go around, you take a photo with this first. And you will get rid of battlefield with American here.
Go, baby. Wow. Are?
M60. And when we go to the shooting range in this area, we have some sort of gun for you. You can try to shoot it. Yeah, in this I'm going to ride for you later. Okay, I will show you.
Ayan, cluster bomb. Tapos merong rocket launcher. Grabe. Grabe yung bombs dito guys, nakaka-goosebumps. So binigyan nila kami ng sticker guys. Yan nyo guys, ito. This one, bomb crater yan. Pero parang hindi makikita sa camera. Basta bomb crater yan. Wait guys, papasok kami sa underground water ride. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Bebe! Oh my gosh! Hello! Oh my god! We made it! Oh. Success! Guys, tapos na kami dun sa tunnel. Ang sobrang ganda ng experience mo. One the lifetime experience. Hangak 10 meters yung tunnel na pinasukan namin kanina.
You can show like this very easy. Yeah, I'll show this for you. You can try this if you want. Yeah, it's so healthy. Because when this and that's when you step on this, short normal. Yeah, if you get a little bit weird thing, then we've broken. Yeah, they had a stair inside for you. Because the part we jump inside the tunnel, we don't have a stair like this. Now still we make for the tourists. Then we have a stair for you. And we go inside, we will try about the secret entrance. After we come back, we don't have the tunnel. Not the tunnel. Because in this way the tunnel same like this. So we have more tunnel later. Yeah. Okay. And in this way have more. You have more the lift like this, and in this way we have more the lift around here also. In the part you only have 30 seconds to do this because GI behind you. You run first and you go into the tunnel. Only 20 to 30 seconds to do this. Yeah. Okay. After this, have made next step inside, and with the top, have be careful because so heavy. You raise straight like this. Because you make like this or like this, you cannot go inside. Have it straight like this. Okay. After that, you sit down. You will cover the cup. Back close inside. Okay, and after that you go outside and raise your hand also. Your hand outside first. Yeah. You can take a photo. You have more video.
Car filler. Video.
Okay.
Bugot.
People more the leave. Okay, careful. Next step. Careful, careful.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah. Next step into the hole. Okay. It's not careful, careful. Okay. Okay. Ready. Okay. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Wow.
It's okay. Okay, careful, so careful. Your hand outside first. Yeah. Okay,
Wow.
good job.
So I think he went that way.
Wow.
Okay,
How was
good
it?
job for you.
How was it?
Yeah.
Basically.
Excuse me, Homer.
How was it today? How was it? The flashlight mo lang. How was it? How was it?
Video.
Wow.
Pero dia ako dapit.
Share your experience.
Nice.
Nice.
Very cramped.
It's a short one. The normal bamboo we have big one. We have big size this, and we only cut a half like this. Yeah. Sometimes we divide the two. We go together. Have it first. Careful, you can have it one side, one side. Have it one side. Another people will wait. Okay, careful, we go inside with me. And if they had a tunnel of only 5 meters, only 5 meters.
Let's go.
Yeah, torturing room.
Oh my gosh. Another.
Okay, careful.
How are you? Okay.
It's okay, right? Careful here. Okay, one more. Finish. Come here. Your last one, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Another bunker. Na full na akong camera.
Sige, sugo lang.
Agay. Unsa lang? Wala yung ang gamitan.
Okay, come here with me. Come here, come here.
What's this? What's that?
Okay, have you one second? Okay, Laura, come here, careful. Careful. Finish. Okay, have me, careful. Okay. Okay, Humor. Okay, everyone, we are staying inside the meeting room now. Same as I wish we had this, but we had a flash, right?
Guys, tapos na kami sa pang third yata ito na bunker. So hindi na kami na-push doon sa another 60 meters. Kasi hindi ko na kaya. Nalipong. Yay, my freebies.
Yeah, come here, baby. Okay, what it is?
Kasama.
Yeah, this is cassava. Okay, you can stay here. Okay, sit down here. It's okay. And this way we have with the cassava or tapioca. This is the main food at the Vichy shelter during the war time. And this is a food for lunch for you. So you can try now. In the head is a cassava or tapioca. And in here we had a short sugar and peanuts inside. We can try together. Same with the sweet potato. In the part of Vichy shelter we don't have more rice to eat. Should we only have the cassava or tapioca almost every day. Almost every day.
Eat it every day. Backwards.
Yes, they're the back way, right? It's mean one the center, the normal, you go this, it's mean you go that way, right? But the center, you look careful in here. It's opposite. Yeah, it's in the one you go this way. This way. So which way the Vichy shelter go? Because one you go this way, one you go this way.
Trap.
So which way? This way or this way? Yeah, it is a big question for child. Yeah, at that time they cannot follow the footprint of the Vichy shelter. Yeah, the first, the second. We only use this sandal. With this sandal we go like this, right? In this area they have one the secret entrance here. And we use this and we go. Oh, come back, right? Oh, today very lucky if I want a secret entrance of the Vichy shelter. They're up on it. Oh, boom. Yeah, only did a bomb. Did a bomb, no tunnel here. Did a trap at the Vichy shelter. We show the footprint, but this is a trap. Yeah, no, the real one.
Hey besties, ayan, finally tapos na tayo dito sa Puche Tunnel guys, and it's currently 12:47 dito sa Vietnam, and apparently guys, sobrang ganda ng experience, like nung nung nakapasok kami sa tunnel, as in grabe, ano siya, parang nakakapangilabot kasi ano siya eh, real life kasi siyang nangyari, tapos na-experience din namin in real life, di ba, parang wow, amazing experience lang. After this one sa Puche Tunnel is babalik na ulit kami dun sa Ho Chi Minh, and maybe try na talaga namin yung sa post office kasi di ba kahapon is na close na. Pupunta na kami dun sa bus. Hey besties, nasa bus na kami. On the way na sa Ho Chi Minh City Center or sa District 1 Ho Chi Minh. So 2 hours, matutulog siguro muna kami guys. Hey besties, we are back again sa aming Airbnb guys, and it's currently 5:23 AM. Actually, kanina pa kaming nakarating dito sa Airbnb namin, mga around 2 PM yata, no? Around 2 PM. Pero, na-freshen up lang kami guys. Nag-chill lang saglit dun sa aming room para more energy tayo ngayon guys. Sure! First is pupunta kami sa Bentan Market, then after that one is chill. After Bentan Market is... Ano susunod sa itong Bentan Market, bebe? Maybe we will try dun sa famous na Po. I think Pho Tang. Ay, ano ito? Tang? Pho Tang yung name ng famous na Po dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So, sinuot lang ulit namin yung mga outfit namin kanina sa Puche Tunnel. Marami na tayong energy ngayon, guys. Na-freshen up, chill. Let's go! Going to Bentan Market is mag-grab tayo. Pero guys, apparently nung pag-search namin sa Grab, parang 1 kilometer lang. Try natin maglakad. Ano? Para mag-explore. Sige, try namin maglakad guys. I think mga 15 minutes from here. One of the things din na na-observe namin dito guys, no? Medyo mahangin siya. Mainit, pero mahangin. Yun yung na-feel namin, no? Okay guys, confirm. Tara, maglakad na tayo. Kasi 1.5 kilometers lang from here. Ito yung surroundings namin guys. Ayan yung apartment namin. Or yung Airbnb. Ayan. Tapos ito yung view namin. Or yung neighborhood. Ayan. So dyan yung papunta sa 7-Eleven. Okay, dito pa pala tayo. It's a prank! Dito pala tayo magdaan guys. Ayan yung Airbnb natin, oh. Ayan. So, dito tayo papunta sa Bentan Market. So, try namin maglakad, guys. So, ma-figure it out namin. Ay, may mini-mart sana dyan, oh. Mini-mart cafe pala. Pero parang sarado. Tapos, ito sa baba sa amin, guys, yan. Baba ng aming Airbnb. So, ito yung neighborhood niyo. If you will be checking in din dun sa Airbnb namin. Hello, fresh from Saigon. Okay guys, lakad-lakad din tayo pag may time dito sa Saigon. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think mga 10 minutes going there from Airbnb namin. May nakita kami guys. What's this?
Take the grande.
Ah, okay. Ayaw niya kasi maraming coriander. Nag-back out. Hindi pa na-sink in yung coriander.
Parang kang kumakain ng perfume.
Parang yung coriander guys, it's not for everyone talaga. Very local vibe dito guys. Ayan o.
Bihon.
Bihon. Update, we are still walking, going to Bentan Market. And feeling namin malapit na talaga kami. Mga pila lang ka meters?
600.
600 meters na lang. Let's go! Meron kong cafe dyan guys. Welcome to Vietnam! Let's go! We survived. Parang ito na talaga yung Bentan Market guys. Ayan, may park oh. Ang cute! Pwede tayong mag-jogging dyan.
Ice cream.
And merong ice cream. Jogging tapos ice cream afterwards. Guys, may na-discover kami. Bentan Metro, Ho Chi Minh Metro. So parang train station nila dito. So makikichismis tayo. So pupunta kami doon pero hindi kami sasakay ng train. Wala lang. We want to see kung ano yung situation ng train station nila. Ayan, Bentan. Wow. Bongga bells. Ang liwanag ah, in all fairness. And guys, oh, ito yung train station nila. Wow. Pila ko kayo, bago pa siya kayo. Char, pila. Oo, medyo init lang talaga. Ano? Ay, tara ay. Lalabas na tayo guys. Yun lang yung pinasok namin. Nakikichismis lang sa train station nila. In all fairness, maganda no? Malinis. Maaliwalas. Welcome to Japan! Charot. Guys, we're near na talaga sa Bentan Market. Tingnan nyo yung motor. Grabe. Fun fact, meron palang 8,500,000 yata na registered motorcycle. 8 million gali, 8 million registered motor drivers or motorcycles. Yeah, 8 million registered motorcycles here alone in Saigon. So Saigon pa lang yan guys. So hindi pa siya included yung sa Hanoi, Sapa, Danang and all. Welcome to Bentan Market! Finally here at Bentan Market guys. Ayan, so basically ito yung mga makikita mo. Mayroong mga watch, eyeglasses, make suits in one day. Oh, nice shoot. Uy, nag-close na. Of course guys, dito muna tayo sa may mga fruits. Ay, pwede to pag magsalubong niya. Meron ding mga ganito guys. Yung makikita niyo bitaw sa Park Mall. Ayan guys, oh. Ay, ito pa baby, ay. Yung same sa ano.
Yung mga Asian?
Per paint lang, no? Cute. Cutie. Meron din mga figures, guys. Tingnan nyo. One Piece. Haha, si Luffy. May nakita kaming cup. How much? 480,000 Vietnamese dong. Guys, grabe ang mahal. 480,000 Vietnamese dong. Tapos nung sa Hanoi, nabili lang namin noon 80,000 Vietnamese dong. See the difference? Sabi niya, I'll give you half price pa daw. 200,000 Vietnamese dong. Autopass. Dela lang. Yung ibang stores dito guys is malapit lang mag-close. Yung mga ganito guys of coffee. Coconut coffee. Flower tea. Ay, yung mga chocolates na binili natin dun sa Hanoi guys. Nandito. Ito. Pero parang sa Hanoi yung mas mura compare dito. guys, I suggest pumunta kayo dito para ma-experience nyo lang yung bentang market. Pero I suggest huwag kayo dito bumili kasi medyo mahal talaga sila, guys.
Overpriced times 10.
Overpriced kasi alam nila na mostly na pupunta dito is mga tourist. Kaya ayan, sobrang overpriced. May sobra, may overpriced pa.
Super.
Super overpriced. Tapos na kami sa Bentan, yun lang. Nag-ikot lang talaga kami. Wala kaming balak na bumili doon kasi mahal.
Mahal.
Oo.
Parang gustong lumabas ng espiritu sa tawan mo. Sobrang mahal.
To think guys yung cup lang, yung parang Vietnamese na soldier cup or hat.
Helmet.
Oo. 80,000 lang yun sa Hanoi. Tapos dito 480,000. My goodness! So basically 80,000 yung original price tapos 400,000 yan yung parang interest. Interest. Yan yung parang patong. Thank you. Okay, nandito na naman tayo sa 7-Eleven. Our best friend. Bibili kami ng Pocari Sweat, guys. Kasi medyo uhaw na talaga. Tapos na kami sa 7-Eleven. So, nakabili pala kami ng mga fruits, guys. Ayan siya. So, later, ipapakita namin to. And meron din kaming parang durian crepe. Crepe. Durian crepe. Tapos, yung Pocari Sweat yung nabili namin doon sa 7-Eleven. So, right now, guys, pupunta na kami sa Shin Futang kasi na-miss lang namin yung milk tea sa Taiwan. And, na-search namin na meron palang Shin Futang dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So, pupunta namin yan. So, we are waiting na lang for our Grab car to arrive. Okay, guys. Ayan na pala yung aming Grab. Ayan. So, let's go! Hello! Hello! Guys, sobrang aligri. Di ba kanina galing kami sa Bentan Market, sabi ko pa after nung ng Shin Futang, doon kami kakain for dinner sa cafe apartment. And apparently guys, binaba kami dito sa cafe apartment. Parang yung Shin Futang, nandito pala siya sa cafe apartment. So kahapon pa namin siya hinanap and dito kami binaba, guys. So we're trying to figure it out kung saan dito. Kasi wala kaming nakitang Shin Futang na logo or Shin Futang na signage. Yan yung cafe apartment. Yung naka-address dito, guys, 44 Nguyen Hue. At yun, so tama naman. So try namin hanapin to. Sige, let's go. Ay! Di yan Shin Futang. 42. Excuse me?
Hello.
Where is this one?
Closer.
Close?
Yes.
Close already?
Check okay.
Oh,
Closer.
okay, thank you. Apparently guys, yung na-search pala namin na Shin Futang is hindi na nag-exist dito. Kasi ito yung 44 Nguyen Hue. Tapos naging Circle K na pala siya. So nagtanong kami and ito na daw
Di nag-survive.
yung bagong establishment dito sa 44 na address. So yung Shin Futang na to is wala na dito sa 44 Nguyen na address. So punta na lang kami sa cafe apartment, guys. Mag-explore kami. Sige, let's go na. So, dito tayo papasok, guys. So, yung elevator pala is may fee. Parang 3,000 Vietnamese dong. So, as a tipid person, mag-akyat tayo sa hagdan. Para ma-explore din natin. If maglakad kayo, ganito yung forma niya, guys. Guys, nasa 3rd floor na kami. Hangak, ha? Hangak sad. Ayan. Cutie food. Look how cute. Tingnan niyo. Our view. So try natin maghanap kung anong magandang restaurant dito. Oh, may donut eh. So, steakhouse. Ito yung mga prices nila. Arabica. Nasa 4th floor na kami, guys.
Bueno, milk yan.
More on coffee. Okay, try natin dito. 21 grams vegetarian. Hala, parang recommended din ito. Ay, pero ba't parang mingaw?
Veggie.
Ay, tara eh.
Veggie rin.
Set. Ah,
Veggie
for
rin.
vegetarian talaga.
Veggie mo. Yung mga crop. Crop. Yung mga ice cream mo. Local din, no? Mixing.
Nay, may beer. 50,000 Vietnamese dong
Per glass.
per glass. Dito naman, merong mga wines, chocolates. Ayan. More on dessert. Ayan. May waffle, chocolate fondue. Ayan, mga milkshake. Mag-dinner muna talaga kami, guys. Later na yung mga dessert. Okay, nasa 5th floor na tayo, guys. Ayan. Oh! Ito yung mga authentic na, ano, Vietnamese food. Oh, bun siya. Ay, hala! I think ito yung recommend. May nakita akong video. Ito. Sige, dito tayo, guys. Okay, let's go. Try namin to, bun siya, kasi hindi ko pa na ito na-try. Ito yung kahapon, no? I mean, kagabi. Dito naman is mga cafe. Cute! So cute! Tingnan nyo, guys, merong mga writings. So, try namin mag-post din dito. For remembrance, pero once babalik tayo sa Ho Chi Minh soon, hanapin natin yung letters natin. Char! Or yung note. Let's go. Ito yung name ng restaurant. Ayan. Madame Cuyen. So, meron namang mga bestseller, guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga new nila. Egg coffee, coconut coffee. So, screenshot nyo lang, guys, if you are interested. If soon, pupunta kayo dito. Ayan siya. So, juices dito. More drinks here. Lemongrass, beach iced tea. Passion fruit soda. Vietnamese ice. So, authentic Vietnamese food talaga to, guys. Ito na yung hinanap namin. Buti na lang talaga. Favorite food of Saigonese. Best seller din. Oh, I see. So, set na pala to, oh. 135,000 Vietnamese dong. Ito, set siya. Favorite food of Saigonese. Pwede din, isa, no? Etong banh mi. Traditional food. Pero gusto ko to, buncha. Buncha. Ito sa akin. Tapos spring roll. Ay, ito! Ito yung inanap mo, diba? So, buncha, tapos fresh spring roll, 44,000 lang.
Ay, vegan.
Ay, ito din, parang maganda. Rolled in a steamed rice cakes with grilled pork and shredded shrimp. Sige lang ka na. Ayan. For vegetarian, ito rin, set na siya. Ayan. Then pho, ayan, bestseller. Pho chai. 75,000 Vietnamese dong.
Wait lang. Vegan.
Ay, ganun ako, bebe. Buncha, tapos, ikay mong order ani mo, ha? Fresh spring roll. Buncha, o kani ako, ah. Buncha, o kaning rolled in steamed rice.
Diba? Ako na lang.
Dili kay para share taning buncha man.
Ako na mo.
Kaning rolled in a steamed rice with grilled pork and shredded shrimp.
Ako na mo. Kaya ko.
Sige, go. Then drinks. Isa lang ka drinks, eh. Napamsa tayo Pocari Sweat. This one?
Yan, one buncha.
Yes, one buncha. Then, how many pieces for this one?
Two curd.
Two?
Yeah, two straw.
Okay, two. Okay, one.
Yeah,
One order.
buncha and one spring.
Then, one this one?
Yes, and one is.
Yes. Good for how many person? One?
Yes, one.
Only
set.
one?
Yes,
Ah,
one
okay.
set.
Okay, this one also.
Okay.
Then this one also.
Yes,
One.
one.
Okay. I think that's all.
And
This one.
This one is special and two. This one with the pork and shrimp. and this one same.
Almost the same?
Yeah, same pork and shrimp. You can change for this one and this one for change and change. The
Okay,
flavor.
sige.
Yes, this one, this and this.
Okay.
Yes, tea and juice. Almost we have basic ones, vitamin and vitamin iced tea.
Vietnamese iced tea, no? Okay, Vietnamese
Just
iced
one
tea.
minute.
Okay, only one.
Only one, yes. And the coffees, we
It's okay.
that's totally with the egg coffee and coconut coffee. Almost so.
No. That's...
Yes, that's a lot,
Oh.
right? Yes.
Okay guys, naka-order na kami and feeling namin ang daming order namin. Pinam soto guys.
Doon ako bigla.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Not the usual iced tea kasi sa atin guys is medyo matamis. Dito kasi is ano siya, parang lasang-lasa mo talaga yung tea. Hindi ba sa atin is matamis talaga, no? Lipat kami ng chair guys, so nasa center kami. Ayan. Hello! Nandito na pala yung aming Vietnamese iced tea. So 10,000 Vietnamese dong lang to. Spring roll is here na guys. Ayan. Tapos I think ano siya, sauce ng spring roll. So spring roll, Saigon beer, tapos ito yung Vietnamese iced tea. So wait na lang kami sa dalawa pang order natin. Hey, more food. Ay, buncha?
Ano ba?
Oo.
Wala nga ba?
This one.
Wala, how to eat?
Nandito na naman tayo sa how to eat guys. Nandito na yung buncha namin guys. Apparently parang hindi pa namin na-figure out kung paano siya kainin. So, nag-search siya dyan, how to eat buncha. So, ganito siya kainin daw guys. Ayan. And then, more food. Nakulaki ka dyan, bebe.
Barbecue and sweet and with some chili.
Thank you. Last one guys.
Fish sauce.
What's this?
Yeah, fish sauce.
Ah, fish sauce. Okay.
This one is 9K, just real pork.
Okay.
Different fish wrap and cake roll, and this is wet.
Okay.
This one
Thank you. And guys. Happy eating. Yung buncha pala guys, para siyang hot pot lang. Ito pala siya kainin guys. Lamig no? Try natin to guys. Parang ang healthy namin ngayon guys. Spring roll guys. Guys, nakaano na kami ng paper para isulat natin kung ano yung gusto natin sabihin. Ayan, para ilagay natin dito. Hey besties, ayan, nakasulat na kami. Ayan, ito yung ginagay namin. Shell and Gem is here, February 9, 2025. Hashtag celebrating life. Hashtag Shell Travel. Good food, lovely experience. Cebu, Philippines. We will taste it here na somewhere there. Let's go. Kadali pud mo tangtang. Ara lang. Okay, ayan guys. Nilagay na namin. Ayan siya. There you go. So if you are here guys, and nakita nyo to, tag me on Instagram at @dchelseachar. Ayan. Hey besties, ayan, tapos na kaming kumain dito sa Madam Kuyen. So, must try nyo siya guys. Ano siya, recommended by CNN Travel. Ang nabayaran namin is 328,000 Vietnamese dong. And sobrang busog guys. So, mag-stairs pa rin kami going down. Try siguro namin maghanap ng another place to chill. Pero guys, ang busog pa namin eh. Pero ang busog pa talaga namin, as in. Update guys, nandito tayo sa parang Saigon Square nila, kung saan maraming nag-chill. Tingnan nyo guys, yung view namin. Ayan siya. So dito kami naglakad kagabi. Ayan. So a lot of people are chilling here talaga. Ang vibrant din ng color, lively, ganun. Tapos kaganda guys, sobrang hangin talaga niya, as in. Kasi pa rin doon mga people watching eh.
Kata suara ba? Nama miskin bersama. Atau tak sebetulnya kan? Nyaman nih.
Gibuang.
Pagtugpal bungkag bag.
Unsa?
Pagtugpal ako berbungkag.
Kita yung gigano.
Ang doan.
Buang. Mag-aeroplano.
Helikopter.
Pakita ang sang. Go, go, go! Hanapin mo ang word na sang. Hear it?
Pagkari, tadi aja lima. Ano siya ito lang yun? Sang?
Sang. S-A-N-G. Wala. Hindi mo mahanap? Pass.
Ano?
Wala, pass na dyan. Kaya na eh.
Han.
Huh?
Han.
Han? Mahal na sa TV.
Ulay.
Ay!
Hindi mo. Hoy, kana wala H.
Bukit. Pangita ang ngoy. Hey besties, finally nasa Airbnb na kami guys, and it's currently 10:10 here in Ho Chi Minh or in Saigon, and mag-chill na kami guys kasi apparently yung first video ko sana sa Saigon is hindi pa ako natapos mag-edit, so I'm trying to edit it that one right now. I mean to continue editing it right now para after that one, bukas ma-post ko na talaga siya. So yan guys, thank you again for joining us on our second full day here in Saigon. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!